Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. There's a lot of snow out there, and we're supposed to get more snow. Anyway, welcome to Week Wednesday. I will be reviewing this cutie here. It's called BOHO Curl, 20 inches. It's a wet and wavy wig. It looks like a lot of my other wigs. It's by Outre. It's a quick weave, which means it's a half wig. I have it in the color S1B30, so I don't know what S means. 1B is off black and 30 is that blondish brown color. Okay. Let's take it out the pack. Take the hairnet off. Look at that. Look at the color. Some highlights are beautiful. That's the 30. These people just keep calling. These spam callers. So I just bought a spam blocker telephone. We got a home phone. So I'm going to set it up so it'll block these spam callers. Okay, let me show you the specifics of this wig. Turn it. Okay, it has a comb, 2 combs at the top. Y'all see them? There they are. It has a comb, a longer comb at the back with the tag, and adjustable straps. It has light and airy wig cap, stretchy, but this half wig should fit everybody because it's a half wig. You don't have to pull it all the way to the front of your hair. And this is how the top portion of the wig is, like that. So, let me look. I'm trying to see if you can make a fake part. I believe you can make a fake part. Separate the hair and put some concealer on this, and I believe it'll look like a part. This is how it looks, and like I said, it's 20 inches long. So let's put it on. I wear these kind of wigs with headbands. I'm going to wear this jelly headband. I used to buy these 2 for $1 at Dollar Tree, and they don't even sell them anymore. Turn the inside out so it don't snag my hair. Tuck this ignite braid under. It ain't gonna stay because I just got it twisted. Okay. I prefer my comb in the center. I don't like these little side combs, but I'm gonna have to attach them. I don't like them combs. Hold it while I pull this wig down and attach this comb up under my tucked under braid. I always bobby pin my half wigs on with the long bobby pins. Pull this, I can pull this. And of course this is darker than my hair, but it'll be alright. I'm gonna rock this wig, y'all. Oh, no. I'm not tugging. Okay. I'm going to pull this headband up. Cover that weft, even though the weft is real thin. Okay, now I can wear it like this, or I can take some hair and flip it over. I ain't gonna mess with it. I'm gonna leave it just like this. So it's 20 inches, but by it being curly, wavy, this is where it goes. So this is most of the hair to the front. It looks just like the picture. She has hers flipped over. And this one, she has it, look like she has some of her hair combed over it on that picture. And my hair would blend with this, but my hair is, yeah, I refuse to say gray. My silver hair that I try to touch up with dark powder is still lighter than this. So I don't know if I can leave some out or not. But the texture would match. My hair is like that. Okay. Like I said, it's a Outre quick weave. It's the wet and wavy style. It's called BOHO curl 20 inches. And it comes in a whole bunch of different colors. A lot of colors down here. And I bought this from Amazon. So, I guess y'all want to see me turn to the front. What's that? Right side. I don't know how y'all gonna see the back. Left side. Back. See how far it comes. Front strap. Nice and full. Beautiful highlights, not too much. The light color is not overwhelming. Like if you don't really wear colored hair, you can wear this. Subtle highlights, really pretty. It's lightweight, even though it's full. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay.